Watch 122 is in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for the following areas. In Ohio, this watch includes 20 counties. In North Central Ohio, Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Huron, Knox, Lorraine, Marion, Morrow, Ridgeland. In Northeast Ohio, Cuyahoga, Holmes, Medina, Wayne. In Northwest Ohio, Hancock, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, Wyandotte. This includes the cities of Ashland, Avon Lake, Bellevue, Bowling Green, Brunswick, Bucyrus, Cardington, Cary, Cleveland, Clyde, Crestline, Elyria, Findlay, Fostoria, Fremont, Galion, Genoa, Huron, Kilbuck, Marion, Medina, Millersburg, Mount Gilead, Mount Vernon, North Ridgeville, Norwalk, Oak Harbor, Orville, Perrysburg, Port Clinton, Rittman, Sandusky, Tiffin, Toledo, Upper Sandusky, Wadsworth, Willard, and Worcester.